Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to print a PDF as 11 into 17 ratio using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I'll print it. Now select this printer icon, this top left side corner. This printer dialog box now open or select this file option and this print option. This printer dialog box now open, or you can press Ctrl P for your keyboard. Okay. Now select here your printer, Foxit PDF Editor printer, and select all pages or specific page range, and all of this remains same. As you select this page setting option, this page size box, click on this down box, and this is our paper size. Now select OK and finish OK and save as PDF file and rename it and save this. A new formatted PDF now printed. Now select file option and select properties and save this paper size. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.